Hello, welcome to the first section. We're going to learn how to open the file. So there's a number of ways to do this. The first is to search up for it. If you click on this button at the bottom, now Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10 are very similar. They all have search icons. If we go here, I believe Windows 7 is if you click the Windows, it's on there from memory. And you can just type in power. And that should show PowerPoint, and you can click on that and open it. The other way is if you click the Windows button, it should be here in your list. As you can see, if I get my drawing tool, there it is right there. Now we can create a link on our desktop, which makes it much easier so that you don't have to open this up every single time. So all you have to do is click, drag, and what you'll see is on my icon it says link. That means it's going to create a link on my desktop to PowerPoint. To open it, I just have to double click this. Now there's another thing you can do to make your life a little bit easier. You can actually create an icon here at the bottom so that anytime you need to open it, you just click that icon. Now you can do it this way. You can click and drag to the bottom and it will pin to the taskbar. If you don't like, whoops, if I just get rid of that for a second, unpin to remove. You can also go from here and go right click, pin to taskbar. And that does the same thing. And see, it's at the bottom. And if you want to move it around, just click and drag to move it around. So super simple stuff. Yeah, so I can now get rid of this one on the desktop because I don't really use that. And this doesn't delete the program because this is just a shortcut. Okay, so those are the basics of just how to set up so that we can open it. To open PowerPoint, we can either click on the Windows icon we found, we can search it up, or we can click this icon at the bottom, which I'm going to do right now. Here we go. And this is the first screen you'll see in PowerPoint. On the left, we have all the recent files you've been working on. And this is really good if you're working on the same file and you just want to open one that you recently had. Now, PowerPoint and Microsoft are super awesome, and they have provided a lot of templates that you can use straight away. But we're going to start with a blank presentation. And all you have to do is click blank presentation. And that's it. And now we have a completely empty, nothing in it presentation. This is kind of where we start to fill it in with data. Very important. You gotta save your document. And saving is super simple because I hear this all the time. People go, oh, I lost my work. And because I'm in IT, I go, did you save it? And they go, no, I didn't save it. So please save it. And it is very easy. You just have to click this File menu tab on the top left. And you're going to see Save and Save As. The one you want is Save As. And what that's saying is I want to save it as a file. Okay, so we click on that. And you're going to see these options. We want to save it on our computer. So we're going to click Computer, like so. And I want to browse where I'm going to save it. I just want to save it on the desktop. So let's click Browse. And that's going to show this dialog box. We're going to click on Desktop. And I'm just going to save it as Presentation 1. And we go save, and there we go. So now if we close this, we'll still have the file. Now, next thing, how do we close this? Very easy. We have two choices. We can use this X at the top right-hand corner, and that will close the file. Or we can go to File in the top left, and we can go Close right here. Both do the exact same thing. Now, if you've saved it and then you made some changes, PowerPoint is going to ask you, do you want to save the changes that you made? And more often than not, you're going to say yes. Okay, so let's go ahead and close this. And there we go. And it's gone. And then if we click this X, we'll close the program entirely. And that's it. That's how simple it is to use PowerPoint and how to get it open. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you at the next video.